Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics today with yet another beautiful patriotic trip around the world quilt. We introduced one a few weeks back, and as expected, in very short order, a day and a half, they were gone. So if you missed out, this is one you don't want to miss out on. This is America the Beautiful by Deb Strain for Moda Fabrics. These kits are available right now. We have a beautiful coordinating backing, and this time we also have what's called an oops kit. So if you make a mistake during your assembly, don't worry. You're covered with your oops kit, and if you have fabric left over from your oops kit, you're able to make some smaller coordinating projects. So this project is a little bit different than the one that we featured a few weeks back. By the way, if you grabbed that kit and you're one of the lucky ones that are going to be receiving that, those will be shipping later toward the end of May, early June. So these kits, however, are available now. So perhaps even if you did get one of those other ones, maybe you can make a second trip around the world quilt. They make stunning gifts, of course. They're spectacular for picnics, to display in a porch, in a sunroom, or just to have in a quilt cabinet. They're so spectacular. By the way, even if you're a beginner sewer, our full color pattern will walk you through the process of how to make this quilt. It's really quite simple. There's just squares, smaller squares, and half square triangles, and then of course you're laying everything out. Keep in mind there's some directional fabric in that. Your full color pattern will talk you through that. Just be sure to pay attention to the directions we've included inside that pattern. So of course you have your kit, your backing, and your oops kit, but of course other items will be needed to make the project. Creative grid rulers, as you would expect, a seam guide for your half square triangles, or we also include in our full color pattern the option to use something called star singles. Basically, you're sewing on paper and making 8 half square triangles at the same time. Not only is it fast, but the precision is absolutely fantastic. With any piecing project, of course, we need a fresh rotary blade, a nice fresh needle in the sewing machine, patchwork pins, my seam ripper that I can never get away from, and of course our Kai scissors as well. So this is one you don't want to miss out on. At this time, this is the last trip around the world in a patriotic collection that we anticipate offering in 2021. So be sure to grab that, your backing, and your oops kit, and we'll see you on a future Shabby video.